Hi Nigel, can you just give me a quick overview of the catalyst that you're involved in?
Yes, part of the analytics big data repository, and we joined this catalyst because we could see a lot of value coming from using a large platform in order to be able to process the kind of level and detail of analytics that are available today. And that has been a big challenge, because in the past, when people have tried to perform the kind of analytics that they want to now, the ambition was there, but the technology wasn't. And it's very clear that now the technology is available. We saw this catalyst as an example, somewhere where we could showcase the sort of technology. And it's using the big data open source technology stacks that are available now. So we wanted to show that, and we saw this as an opportunity.
Great. So who should come in and see you in Nice, and what will you be exactly demonstrating there?
Well, anybody who has an interest in being able to integrate large data sources, we hear a lot from CSPs that they're not able to integrate disparate data, and that they're having difficulty in being able to access that data once they have tried to integrate it. So anybody who's got that issue, but most of all anybody who's got an ambition to really understand their consumers and really understand the transparency in their business. The application that we have put together exploits very granular data, and it exploits it using mathematical machine modeling and scenario segmentation and simulation as well. And this type of data analytics in the past has been too difficult to do, and it's being combined together in our product to be able to do that.
Okay. So you've been involved in the Catalyst for a little while. Do you have any examples of how you've used that in your current day job, in your company where you work?
Yes, and in fact, what we looked at when we were designing the product, we went to the frameworks, and we looked initially at the reference data model, or the reference model, and we designed the architecture around that. We then had to say, well, how would you use this data in business? And of course, there was the ETOM, there was the SID, and we were able to look at the business processes, we were able to look at the operating model in which the data could be used, and we were then saw that some of the customer experience metrics and the metrics that were available were perfect for what we were trying to output into the product. So actually using the whole frameworks environment was very valuable for us in developing the product. When we started to put the technology in place, at that juncture, we were then able to start seeing the benefits of designing the data model around the data that was specified in the frameworks. And we built a use case around that. We said, okay, our product is all about managing investment of scarce resources, and the metrics are the sort of metrics you'd want to monitor to make sure you understood where you were using your marketing dollars and your network dollars most effectively. So that's effectively how we engaged in the product from start to finish.
Great, thank you very much.
Good.
Thank you.